नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन ट्यूसडे ऑल द थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस एंडेड ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट, बायड बाय लेबर डिपार्टमेंट रिपोर्ट दैट रिवील्ड एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड राइज इन जॉब ओपनिंग्स फॉर अप्रैल. The Nasdaq and the S&P 500 closed at their highest levels in over 3 months, gaining 0.79% and 0.58% respectively, while the Dow advanced by 0.51%. Technically, the major trend of the S&P 500 is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, the index is likely to test the level of 6,050, followed by 6,120 in the short term. While on the downside, the support has shifted higher in the zone of 5,900 to 5,880 level. Talking about Brent crude has been oscillating near its 20-day EMA level since the last 14 trading sessions. The daily RSI has been in the sideways zone since the last 18 trading sessions. Going ahead, the zone of $65.5 to $65.8 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of $63 to $62.8 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about the dollar index, the US dollar index surged by 0.55% on Tuesday. However, currently it is quoting below its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 99.4 to 99.6 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. While on the downside, the zone of 98 to 97.8 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, on Tuesday, the benchmark index Nifty touched an intraday high of 24,845. But faced selling pressure leading to a correction of over 300 points from the day's peak. Most noteworthy, the index slipped below its 20-day EMA for the first time since April 15, 2025, indicating a potential shift in the short-term trend. Additionally, the RSI on the daily chart has declined to 50.64, its lowest level since April 11. These technical factors suggest that the overall market strength has weakened significantly, pointing towards increased caution in the near term. आगे जाके 24,450 से 24,430 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा. अगर इंडेक्स 24,430 के नीचे फिसलता है तो अगला क्रूशियल सपोर्ट 24,300 के पास मिलेगा. वही ऊपर की तरफ 24,670 से 24,700 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल रहेगा. अगर इंडेक्स 24,700 के ऊपर टिकता है तो एक अपसाइड रैली 24,850 तक जा सकता है. On the derivative front, the May futures dipped by 0.61%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 5%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 24,600 strike has significant call open interest, followed by 24,700 strike. On the put side, 24,500 has substantial open interest, followed by 24,400 strike. For the weekly series, the OI put call ratio is at 0.49. Talking about Bank Nifty marked a fresh all-time high on Tuesday and thereafter witnessed a correction. Finally, it ended the session at 55,600 level with a loss of 0.54%. आगे जाके 55,400 to 55,300 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 55,800 to 55,900 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल के तौर पर काम करेगा. Talking about Sensex view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark index Sensex slipped below its 20-day EMA level for the first time after April 15, which is a bearish sign for the short term. आगे जाके 80,400 to 80,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा. वही ऊपर की तरफ 81,000 to 81,100 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल होगा. On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.51%. and the open interest of the current series has surged by 52.76%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 81,000 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 81,500 strike. On the put side, 80,500 has substantial open interest, followed by an 80,000 strike. The OI put call ratio is at 0.62. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX slipped by 3.51% on Tuesday. Going ahead, the zone of 17.8 to 18 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 15.5 to 15.3 will act as a crucial support. The advanced decline ratio tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty, Realty, PSU Bank and capital market sectors are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data, in the cash segment, FI is sold to the tune of 2,854 crores, while the DI is bought to the tune of 5,908 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 16.67, as on a net basis they sold 14,088 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.